Hi guys, it's your boy Blue Boy FX. Welcome to my channel once again. Big shout out to those that have joined our VIP on the promo and they're winning. If you haven't liked this channel or subscribed to this channel, please do well to subscribe to my channel. I'm very happy you guys are encouraging me to do more. As you can see, forget about the fact that I'm buying at the moment. That's not what I'm here for. I'm here to show you how to catch spikes, like how I do catch my spikes if I want to catch spikes. My analysis are up and running. I have everything in position. Okay, if I take you to a daily time frame, you'll see that I have my support, my resistance, and I actually know the direction in which the market is going to. And this thing helps because it's really important that you don't rely 100% on indicators. It's very important you don't rely 100% on indicators. I'm not saying indicators don't work, they work quite well, but you have to understand the art of price action. Price action gives you the entry and the exit of a trade. When I say entry and exit, there is how you get into a trade, but you don't know where to set, like you don't know where to enter it from so that you can minimize the risks that you're about to incur on yourself unknowingly. But if you understand what price action is, if you are being taught, if you are being mentored by someone who understands price action, is actually going to help you trade any market. When I say any market, I mean the binary, the indices, the currency, and you can name others. Okay. So as I said earlier, forget about the fact that I'm buying. Why I'm buying is because this strategy works on the boom and on the crash, and it is very, very easy to understand. Yeah, it's very easy to understand. So guys, one of the things you have to know first before even being in a rush to know about the indicator and how it works is price action. Get your support, your resistance, and your trend line so that you know where the market is going. You can't just open the chart and jump, okay, let me go and catch spike, or I'll just jump into it and catch spike. Nah, it doesn't work that way. Indicators fail sometimes, but it works. And that's why I try to bring you the best that won't be kind of shady. Okay, so now let's get back to business. Why I'm here is to show you how to catch spike and how I do catch my spikes. So I'm going to bring up my analysis, my indicator window. I'm going to expand it for you guys to see. Okay, all right. So guys, as you can see, I have my RSI, my envelopes, and moving averages. What do I call moving? Why do I say moving averages? Because I'm using more than one moving average. On the main chart, I am not using anything. We are not working on the main chart. We are working on the indicator window. Okay, this particular analysis is for the indicator window. So you also have to know that we are using the 1 minute time frame. Make sure to use the 1 minute time frame. It's very important that you use the 1 minute time frame, because if you don't use the 1 minute time frame, you are going to make mistakes. So as you can see on the indicator window, you have this 90, level 90, that's here. We have level 90, level 70, 30, and 10. And the yellow lines running here, they are the moving averages I'm talking about. Why this is the green line here is the upper band, the red one is the lower band, and the blue ones comes from the RSI, the relative strength index. So now I'm going to show you how this thing works. Like, how does it work? If I want to catch a spike, where do I actually know that this indicator is telling me, hey, get into this trade? Okay, I'm going to show you that because that's what you want to know. Yeah, I'm going to show you that. So some of you might still ask, why are you buying at this moment? Well, why I'm buying at this moment is because my price action tells me to buy. So forget about that. As I've said earlier, this is called scalping. I'm just scalping. It's my account. I trade the way I want to trade. I can't tell you to do this, but I'm showing you how to catch a spike now. So if you look at my indicator window, that's the down part of my screen. Now I'm going to show you this. As I said earlier, we have the level 90, 70, 30, and 10. Yeah, but we're working with the level 90 and the level 10. So now, and the moving average. When you see that all the moving average converge at the level 90, that's when we get into this trade. When it converges there or when it's close to level 90, that's when we get into the trade. That's why the moving average have to be in that position. If it's not in that position, don't get into the trade. Like there can be some false moves like this one here is not actually it. As you can see, it didn't converge. All of them didn't meet at this point. As you can, this one here didn't get down here, so you can't get into the trade at this moment. As I said, converge, they have to be there. If they are not there, don't get into it. As you can see here, they all came to level 90, then we had the spike coming all the way down here. If I should take you back to, let's say, few days ago, let's say 24th, okay, and we stop 24th. All right, now you see here they all converged at the level 90, then this spike came and we had, so you see, when I said it's easy to understand, it's quite very easy to understand. So before the scalping came through for me, I already caught spikes because I entered the trade here. I caught spikes and it came down to the level 10, of which from where I now decided, okay, let me just scalp a little bit. But I'm not telling you to do that. I'm showing you how to catch spikes. Scalping is a risk, okay? You can't go against the trend, you can't go against the market, okay? So I've shown you now how this thing works, how the indicators works, and I'm actually waiting for all of them at this moment to also converge at this, maybe anytime soon, maybe somewhere here at the level 90 or close to level 90. I would then be ready to catch more spikes, okay? So I'm out of the trade, I've made my gain. We are not greedy here at Blue Boy FX. No, we don't trade. You don't have to be greedy about everything, okay? Once you have a target, once you hit that target, be done for the day, okay? So now you want to know how I put up these strategies to work, how I put up the indicators to work. All right, now I'm going to show you that. As you can see, I said earlier, the main chart, we are not working with that. I just had to put moving average there. You can just put anything you want to put there. I just had to put moving average so that the indicator window can come up, you know. It starts with the main chart for the indicator window. So the settings for the indicator windows are here. You see, I have the relative strength index first, envelope second, then 3 moving averages. The 3 moving averages carry the same settings but different periods. That's the only thing that's going to change. So now the parameters for the RSI are: the period is 7, applied to median price, HL2. The style is 4 pixel. Please, if you are using a white background, use the same colors I'm using, okay? So as I said, the style is 4 pixel blue. The levels are 90, 10, 70, and 30. And I didn't add any description. But at the 90, you could add sell. At the 10, you could add buy. Okay, the style is 3 pixel and blue. I'm still using blue. When you're done with that, you click on done and you go to the next one, which is the envelopes. You can just screenshot this, okay? The parameters for the envelope: period 100, shift 0, deviation 0.618, method simple, apply to close. The styles are the upper band and the lower band, which carry the 4 pixel each. I use green and red. Of course, I think I showed it to you on my main chart. Then the levels, they are not levels. When you're done with that, you click on done. Moving average number 1 carries a period of 7. Note when you put in all these moving averages, like when you put in these settings, it is stocked. It is stocked. You don't have to do anything on the other two, just change the period. I told you carry the same settings but different period. So the period for the first moving average is 7. The shift is 0, method exponential, apply to close. Style is 2 pixel. I used yellow. You could just use a color that is not on the screen so that it will not like confuse you, okay? As I used yellow for all my moving averages so that I'll know, okay, this is moving average. So the level is, there's no level on that. When you're done, you click on done, you add the second one, just change the period. The period is 21. The first one was 7, but the second moving average carries a period of 21, but the other settings are the same. When you're done with that, you click on done, you add the third one, which carries a period of 50. it carries a period of 50. First 7, second 21, the third, which is the last, is 50. All other settings stand. So when you're done with that, you click on done, go back to your indicator, to your chart, and wait for the spike. Okay, there was a spike here, but this spike is leading us to level 90. If you understand what I'm trying to say, it's leading us to level 90. We have to get to level 90 to catch the crash spike. Okay, so it's still going to buy because it has to go up, get to level 90, and we catch more spikes. So guys, if you want to join our free Telegram group, please do well to check the description of this video. You're gonna find the link to our free Telegram group. Like, there we drop signals from time to time, and we have the VIP running. We're on a promo right now, and people have already joined, and we are closing soon, so don't miss out on that too. It's quite affordable. The mentorship is very important. Look for someone that can, don't just go into trading, you're going to lose. You can't just wake up and go. Look for someone, get under the mentorship of that person, let him teach you what the market is all about. When you understand all this, you can now start exploring, and try this on your demo accounts first before moving into your real account. Okay, by the time you understand that you've understood everything, you can now get into your real accounts. So join the free mentorship. Sorry, it's not free. Join the mentorship classes that's going to start by July. And the VIP we are running. The free Telegram group is still there. And if you want to reach out to me on WhatsApp, my number is going to be on the description of this video too. So guys, I hope you enjoy your time on this video. I hope you learn. So every time I put out a video here is for you to learn, apply. Okay, learn and apply. Okay, so guys, thanks for watching this video. I'm going to see you guys on the next video, which I'm going to bring out a new strategy. I'm going to show you how this works on Boom 500. So thanks for watching, guys. See you on the next video. I hope you catch spikes, and I hope you join our VIP so that we win together and stay rich together. See you guys later. Thanks.